It was afternoon time. I was at home peacefully. Suddenly, outside the window, it was really noisy. A bird, maybe a sparrow, was perching on our flower pot rack outside the window. It was barking really noisily. I came to know for the first time that the bird barks instead of singing. It was barking really loudly for like 20 minutes. I had an earache. Finally, I looked outside and saw what was going on. The baby bird was barking on my rack, and the mother bird was calling the baby from opposite side on a roof of a house. To be continued.